it's Dragon Week. I didn't post on Thursday because I was busy, which is another word for me saying that I was actually asleep for like 12 hours of that day. I don't know what the hell happened. I feel like I just woke up. Anyway, I'm posting it today and hoping that the gods of the algorithm forgive me. But essentially I had this concept where, you know how some fish can see beyond the normal human color spectrum? So they can see colors beyond what we can normally see, and they actually use that to tell individuals apart. In nature, fish will look at each other and they'll be able to tell individuals apart or lineages based off of colors in their scales, like built in, that we can't see, but that they can see, almost like, you know, feather patterns on a bird. If you imagine that concept applied to dragons, maybe there's this thing where dragons can tell each other apart or can tell each other's lineage or what clan they belong to or group they belong to based off of patterns in their scales that humanoids can't see, but maybe like half dragons can see, and certain other draconic like bloodline type creatures, maybe dragon type sorcerers can see. And maybe you can take it a step further where it's not just something that's inherently built in as part of their genetics, and those patterns aren't just part of their genetics, but maybe they have certain inks or dyes that they can use to artificially paint on their scales and basically write symbols or sigils or runes or something that only other dragons can see. Maybe some dragons use it in the same way that we use like bannermen when we're going to war, right? Or used to, I guess we don't do it anymore, where we write down intimidating symbols or what our allegiances are. Dragons could potentially do the same thing using these special inks. But if humanoids get a hold of this same substance, what will they use it for? You know, will they use it to trick dragons or something else? I don't know, I think it's a really cool concept for not only something that could work into biology and language, but also as a potential magical item, or maybe even not magical, but something that has sort of like magical type applications, you know, with those inks and those dyes.